Hello guys, today we are going to draw the thunder breather himself, Zenitsu Agatsuma from the Demon Slayer. I am going to show you how I created this dynamic pose using Ibis Paint X on my tablet. We start with the rough sketch. The most important part of this drawing is the pose. Zenitsu is usually scared, but when he sleeps, he is a beast. So I wanted a pose that looks like it's ready to attack. Remember, notice how I bend the knee and the tilt of the head down. This adds weight to the character. If you are drawing on mobile, don't zoom it too much. Yet, keep the canvas small to see the whole body proportions. Finally, our rough sketch is ready. We are moving on to the next part. Here, we will add a new layer and lower the opacity of first layer. Now, we will draw the outline on the new layer with the help of guidelines like I'm drawing in the head for the head proportion, for the nose, mouth and chin. After that we will draw the hair. Remember I told you that the gravity is pulling the hair down, so we will make the hair look like it's falling down. Head is almost ready. We'll move to the second part. We will draw the next body now. Remember to keep your hands free and do not put too much pressure on the pen. It will give you a dynamic line. Our rough outline is almost ready. We will now draw the refined outline and we'll see how it's look like when outline is being refined. I have added the third layer and I'm drawing on the third layer for the refined lines, just following up the rough lines, and wherever needed I'm marking it dark and wherever needed I'm marking it light, so it will show the overlaps of lines, which line having more weights and which have the less. If you think some correction needed at the final stage or the outline stage, do it, because correction always makes the drawing better. Now our outline is ready. We will move to the next part, coloring. For coloring I am using the lasso tools, selecting the required area to be colored. Selecting the whole area and then choosing the color. Then brush, increasing the stroke the brush, and I'm doing the same for the face. Using the lighter tone for the face. Same for the hand. For the lower part of the hair, I am using brush manually while the lasso tool is on for the hair selection. I forgot to tell you, for coloring you need to add a fourth layer and put it down the line layer, which is defined line layer, and then we will color, so the line will be shown on the top of the colored layer. For shadows, I'm using the darker tone of that color. Here I have blended the two colors together, which is yellow and another one is orange, by using blending tool. Now for the hardest part, the triangle paint on is haori. You have to be patient here. I drew them manually to make them fold with the cloth. It takes time, but it's worth it. I've used another layer for this triangle drawing. I've added a new layer and then draw all the triangles selected by the lasso tools and painted it at once. Now for the shadow part to make it real. I have used the black color shadow, grey shadow you can say, and blended it with the smudge tool to look like real and gives the character a 3D look. Now it's look very good. I am curling his katana in the last, and it's for the better result. And here is the final result. If you enjoy this journey, please hit the like button or let me know in the comments who is your favorite Demon Slayer character. Thanks for watching. Keep drawing and don't forget to subscribe.